So, cheers, Freddan.
Cheers.
Okay, let's go through the mistakes.
Let's evaluate.
Okay.
Okay, we forgot some things.
It's early February. We're not in the Arctic. We are 59 degrees 22 minutes north. So we are in the subarctic region.
But still pretty cold.
Yeah, it's pretty cold. We started out by almost forgetting our
Sleeping
bags. Both of us. We are new beginners. We have used this tent before, but
no shit, almost going out. Say 6 below zero and no sleeping bags.
and when we got here, we realized when we started cooking, we realized that we forgot our table
and chairs
and the chairs. And the lunch was awesome.
Yeah, it was very nice. Like a pasta stew, spicy pasta stew,
Minestrone, sausage minestrone kind of
something.
style.
Yeah, it was really nice.
It was with Cajun pepper and thyme.
Yeah, and chorizo.
And chorizo.
So sausage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Like one pot pasta kind of thing.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
When the lunch was almost ready to eat, we realized that we had forgotten plates. But fortunately, we are on the hunting grounds where there is a cabin. We let ourselves in and borrowed some plates. There's nothing to eat on. It's frozen shut.
Yeah, turned out all right.
Lun-
Luckily, no one has ever emptied the cabin, so all the cutleries and things from like the 60s are still there.
Yeah, but it's like a ghost house.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it literally is. Yeah, forgot some things, forgot what order to do things.
Yeah, we did.
So it took a bit longer than. Okay, it took 14 minutes instead of 8 minutes, perhaps. To raise the tent.
Actually, I made a time lapse
Okay.
that lasted for 30 minutes.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, but we started with the coffee also.
Okay.
But now we're using the cast iron stove for the first time.
Yeah.
And
Really nice,
yeah,
soft heat.
it's working really good.
Like I said, it's 6-7 degrees below zero outside and quite windy.
Yeah, very windy.
Uh,
A nice
just as we said that, I noticed the canvas isn't moving at all. So just this particular second, it's not that windy, but it has been quite windy all evening and all day.
Yeah.
But in here it's a really nice temperature.
So let's sum up. We've almost forgot the sleeping bags. We forgot the chairs. We forgot the table. We forgot
We forgot the wine opener.
The wine opener. We forgot the plates.
Yeah.
We almost forgot the cutlery. There's some obvious improvements, except the things we forgot.
But that is also an improvement that we realize that we need to do checklists.
Yeah, we have to do a checklist.
A packing checklist and a loading.
Yeah, because we had the table and chairs, but we didn't load them.
So they're still in your garage.
Yeah, so they're still in my garage. And another thing that is obvious that we need to improve, it is we need some kind of kitchen counter.
Yeah, kitchen counter, kitchen cabinet, something.
And it was even more obvious now when we didn't have a table. Last time in November when we were out, it was good to have a table, but while you're cooking, you use the table and you can't use the table for other things like drinking coffee or playing games or whatever. So a kitchen counter,
Yeah.
A smart solution for kitchen counter.
And as we said before, with some kind of solution with the sink to do the dishes and perhaps with some water faucet
Yeah,
thing.
dishes is another thing.
Yeah.
Dishes is a problem. We don't have somewhere to do the dishes. But I found that, instead of melting the fat on the plates away, I use snow to freeze it away. I take snow, and the snow crystals helps cleaning the plates. What do you think? Is this a way forward? On the other hand, if there's no snow, if it's only, muddy and rainy and cold, this might not work. I'm I'm open for suggestions.
Water storage, some kind of faucet, a sink, perhaps even hot water, to figure out some clever way to do that. But then we would, of course, need some kind of heating, which would need the battery.
Yeah, we're open to suggestions.